Good morning, students. Today we are going to study lesson 3, that is noun numbers, singular and plural nouns. Noun have singular and plural numbers. Singular noun, what are singular nouns? Singular noun means one thing only. ठीक है, single means one, singular means just one. For example, monkey, book, girl, woman, orange. ठीक है, single refers to one thing only. We use a and if the thing is singular in number. A monkey, a book, a girl, a woman, and orange. We always use a and if the thing is single in number. ठीक है, अगर चीज़ सिंगुलर है, एक चीज़ है, तो उसके साथ हम लोग ए और एन को यूज़ करेंगे. वी विल यूज़ ए और एन if the thing is singular. Up where we use an, where we use a, let's see. Use an before words beginning with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. For example, an orange, an umbrella, an apple. ठीक है, the words which begins with vowels, like in this orange, O is your vowel, umbrella, U is your vowel, A, apple, A is your apple, so we will use an with these words. Okay. अब use A before words beginning with consonants. Basket, house, a basket, a house, a girl, a boy. The words which begin with consonants like basket, B, H, G, B. These are all consonants. So with consonants, what we will use? A. With vowels, we will use an. And with consonants, what we will use? A. If the noun is singular in number, then we will use a or an. Now come to plural noun. Plural means more than one thing. Singular means only one thing. Plural means more than one thing. Example, boys, girls, chocolates, toys. एक से ज़्यादा. When we are talking about more than one thing, 2 thing, 3 thing, 4 thing, so they are all called plural nouns, like boys, girls, chocolates, toys. Plural nouns usually ends with s or es. We will use s or es if the noun is plural. Plural nouns हमेशा s और es से end होगा. You can look here. Houses, tables, books, girls, dresses, potatoes, tomatoes, heroes, radios. How will you identify plural nouns? Plural nouns always ends with s or es. Here, houses ending with s, tables, the word is ending with s, books, the word is ending with s, girls, again ending with s, dresses, the word is ending with es. So plural nouns usually ends with s or es. Understood? Now come to the homework. Here you have to learn the definition of singular and plural noun with examples. Only learn. Okay? Singular noun. A singular noun is a noun that refers to only one person, one place, one thing or one idea. Okay? Only one. which refers one thing, one person, one place or one idea. Example: box, car, ball, tree. Okay. Plural nouns. A plural noun is a noun that refers more than one person, place, animal, thing or idea. It always refers more than one. ठीक है. A plural noun is a noun that refers more than one person, place, animal, thing or idea. Example: boys, cats, trees, boxes. ठीक है. As I told you, plural nouns usually ends with s or es. Okay. To learn these two definitions. Okay.